Namaste everyone. Welcome to Sheetal Digital Ocean. Let's learn something new in this video.
In this video, we will learn what is variable, rules for variable naming, how to declare a variable, how to assign a value to that variable, and types of variable. Let's see JavaScript variable. So variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. JavaScript variables are a container for storing data values. You can place data into these containers and then refer to the data simply by naming the container. Here is a one container. We can place 30 value into this container and give a name to this container is A. So variables are used to store data like string of text, numbers, expression, etc. The data or value stored in this variable can be set, updated and retrieved whenever we need it. In general, variables are symbolic names for values. So in general, what is variable? Variables are symbolic names for values. Let's see variable naming rules. So first one is variable must be starts with alphabet, underscore or dollar. For example, age, underscore age and dollar age. Second is variable name in a JavaScript are case sensitive. It means age, small age and capital H are both different variables. So be careful while defining variable names. A variable name should not be a JavaScript keyword. Keyword means reserved word. So you cannot use a reserved word as a variable name. You cannot use where as a variable name because where is a keyword in a JavaScript. But you can use where age as a variable name. Next is variable. White space is not allowed in variable name. So old space age is a not valid variable name because white space is not allowed in variable name. But old underscore age is a valid variable name. Next is a variable name can only contain alphabets, digits, dollar and underscore. So age has is not a valid variable name because has is a special character and special character is not allowed in variable name. Next is a variable name cannot start with a number. So age 1 is a valid variable name but one age is a not valid variable name because one age is a start with a number and you cannot start a variable name with a number. Let's repeat all the rules. The first one is a JavaScript variable must be starts with alphabet, underscore or dollar. The second is a variable name in a JavaScript are case sensitive. Third is a variable name should not be a JavaScript keyword. Fourth is a white space is not allowed in variable name. Sixth is a variable name can only contain alphabets, digits, dollar and underscore. And last one is a variable name cannot start with a number. Keep all these points in your mind when you define a variable name and also remember define a meaningful names to your variables. Let's pause the video and do this exercise. Write down which variable name is valid and which variable name is invalid. If the variable name is invalid, then write down why this variable name is invalid. We already discussed about what is variable and variable naming rules. Now we learn how to declare variable. You can declare a variable with the var keyword. The assignment operator is equal to is used to assign a value to a variable. We do not mention the types of dynamically at runtime. Type will be assumed on the basis of data we are using. Syntax is var space variable name is equal to value and then semicolon. Let's see some example. In this example, we have created three variables. First one has assigned with a string value. The second one has assigned with a number, whereas the last one also assigned with a number value. Name stored the value Sheetal. count store the value 30, age store the value 27. In JavaScript, variables can also be declared without having any initial values assigned to them. This is useful for variables which are supposed to hold values like user inputs. If a variable has been declared but has not been assigned a value explicitly, is automatically assigned the value undefined. In this example, var name is a declaration of variable and name is equal to Sheetal is assign a Sheetal value to name variable. You can also declare multiple variables in a single statement. Each variable are separated by commas like this. Let's revise all these points. Variable is declared with the var keyword. Assignment operator is equal to use to assign a value. If variable is declared but has not been assigned a value, then undefined value automatically assigned to that variable. You can also declare multiple variables in a single statement, variables separated by commas. JavaScript variable type. Two types of variable in JavaScript. First is a local and second is a global. Local variable declare within the function and we cannot access local variable outside the function. Global variable declare outside the function and all scripts and functions can access global variable. In general, it's better to pass local variables from one function to another as a parameters than it is to use global variables. That will make your code easier to understand with less chance of errors. Two types of variable in JavaScript. First is a local and second is a global. Local variable declare within the function and we cannot access local variable outside the function. And global variable declare outside the function and all scripts and function can access.
Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.